I've said it before, but I'll say it again. MyObjectives prides itself on listening to customer feedback to give you, the customer, a unique and fluid experience when it comes to tracking your goals. One of the ways we do this is by listening to requests, and our developers jump right to changing the software based on what the customers would like to see. With that being said, you can trust that whatever changes we make next rely on what you have said to us about what functionality you would like to see added or maybe even remove. But either way, welcome to the MyObjectives 3.1 release update. A few things have changed in a big way, and a few things really won't change much. But either way, we wanted to let you know what we've done to make sure that no one is blindsided by any randomness. The first change we implemented is adding an additional progress option to make it easier to tell where you are as far as your progress goes. On top of adding in a new progress update icon, we added the completion percentage as well to give people a better idea of what each progression update means. As a customization bonus feature, we also added in a few options for what the progress icons can look like, so that you get some different view styles to choose from, with size options available for them as well. Measures have also been given their own page in the Objective Edit menu to make them easier to find. This gives people who use measures a quick, easy way to set them, and those who have never used them an easier time trying to find measures, just in case you ever want to try it out for yourself. We made a few changes in the login process because, let's be honest here, the harder it is to sign up for something, the less likely you are to actually want to sign up. If you want to go try it out, it's completely free to sign up, and it only takes a couple of clicks, just so you know. Another change we made was switching key results to tasks instead. Key results could sometimes be confusing, especially for new users just starting up on their own with no training or previous knowledge of what exactly that meant. Now with them being called tasks, it is a lot easier to relate to them. And they're in the same spot they've always been in, just another name. We also made it possible to actually customize your dashboard. Most companies are going to use MyObjectives differently. With the ability to customize the dashboard, you gain the option of turning on and off the tiles that aren't necessarily important to your methods. For example, if you don't really like the badges or care to pay attention to them, you can turn them off in the dashboard settings so that they don't show up at all. As of right now, the tiles that are all in the default dashboard view are the only options you have. But in future releases, we will be adding different tiles so that you have a wider variety of options for what your dashboard looks like and can do for you. Other than that, our developers, of course, have done some bug hunting and removal to make the software as smooth and efficient as possible. Hopefully, the changes we have made to the software are all things that give you a better goal tracking experience. If there's anything else you would like to see added, removed, or adjusted, just let us know, because we are, after all, the people who can make it happen. MyObjectives.com